Yes, sir. You know we Team Kobe over here. So I ain't care if the sneaker was green or blue. We was copping it. Hit the B-roll.
Ain't nobody.
Guys, the Kobe 4 is starting to grow on me, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I really appreciate y'all, man. And today is the Kobe 4 Protro Girl Dad. And I like that, man. Girl Dad. Yeah. Not a week don't go by that I don't think about Gianna and Kobe, man. But this was really dope of Vanessa, Nike, everything, man. The colorway, I gotta figure out why they came out with this colorway. I don't know if it was her favorite color, but the moments behind this sneaker is very, very dope, man. And if you're new to the channel, then you probably didn't see my review on the gift of Mambas in the same silhouette joint, different color. And I think the quality on that one was a tad bit more luxury, but I guess it was because it was Christmas, had the black Mamba. I've been talking too much, and we don't talk too much. Let's unbox these. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So you get your all black Mamba skin box. The Mamba skin kind of is like 3D. You kind of can feel it also. Very dope look. All black stealth. Got Kobe's legendary logo there. I really like this logo. Let me know in the comment section below what Nike player has the best logo. I kind of, on a low, I used to like Kyrie's too. But I think it's Penny or Jordan, and then we could probably get the Kobe. But yeah, all black box. It reads Kobe 4 Protro Bi-Coastal Black. Bi-Coastal. That color is called Bi-Coastal, guys. When you flip open the lid, that Kobe signature looked like it said Gianna. That's what caught me just right now, guys. But when you flip open the lid, it's all black in here. You get white tissue paper. And let's start with the right side. Here's a 360 view of the Kobe 4 Girl Dad. I really should have researched why they went with this color before I got in front of this camera, but it's a Kobe, man. Y'all know I was in a rush, man. So let's start with the back. You got like a metallic mirror look. Reminds me of them foam posits. I remember the mirror foam posits. That's the look I get on the back of this. Got Kobe signature in that same bi-coastal colorway of really the whole sneaker. Dope look there. Under there, you got like it looks like it's rubber. Like this looks like it's rubber. But it's I don't know, man. It's hard material, but definitely for basketball, you can tell. But it does have that rubber look, but it's not rubber, guys. Well, maybe the back has some more rubber than the side. But that's in that same bi-coastal. Also, your black swoosh here. Soft. It's soft, guys. Black nubuck swoosh. Same as the sneaker, but it's like a funny nubuck, man. I don't know. It's a plush nubuck. And that's what I was saying about that. The gift of Mamba one. The gift of Mamba had a lot of Mamba skin around it, so it made it more luxurious. But this sneaker is worth the $190, guys. It definitely has the material and the feeling of a basketball shoe. But anyway, yeah, the black on top of that bi-coastal colorway. I feel like if the sneaker was reversed, if it was all black with hits of this bi-coastal colorway, it would look a lot better. The front of the tongue has Kobe's logo up there, and in the back it says Girl Dad in script. The inside is orange. I think they probably went with orange because that's the color of the WNBA, and you know GIGI would have been there one day, of course. So I guess that's why they went with the orange in the inside. The back of the tongue has like a mesh material, the same as the front. You see it in the back also, so that's worth noting too if you guys trying to spot some fakes. And I didn't even do the toe box, guys. I'm telling you, I'll be all over the place when it comes to a Kobe. So yeah, we saw this toe box, of course, already, but soft material, premium, man. This new buck is hitting, guys. Like I said, up here is a lot more harder than the bottom part, but this is all for stability, basketball, athletic wise. That's why it's kind of like more stiff up here than the bottom. But that nubuck suede, look, it's going from light to dark, guys. That nubuck suede is hitting. You do have the 24 on the back embedded inside the 24. Everybody know that's Kobe's number in his later years. And it comes with black shoelaces. Kobe's known for these shoelaces, these flat shoelaces. Almost every Kobe comes like this. This is the left shoe now, guys. So both shoes read Girl Dad on the back. Same tongue, same 24, same Kobe. So from right to left, nothing's changed on the sneaker at all. The bottom here, man, icy bottom, guys. Icy bottom. It says zoom right there, little small right there. That's why I was telling y'all, like, it looks rubber, but you can feel the technology more towards the back than the middle of the sneaker. So it does start to feel rubber a little bit, but then it hardens up. Pause. And right here, you got that Jordan 11 look a little bit. You know, the carbon fiber inside that the Jordan 11 has. You get that look there. The bottom doesn't read anything, I don't think. But it does have a design and a Nike swoosh. Let me know in the comment section below if y'all know what that's supposed to mean. But it definitely looked like it says something. Yes, sir, man. So these are the Girl Dad joints, man. RIP GIGI, RIP Kobe. Something I want to let you guys know also, like, this is silver. I know it looks white because I thought it was white until I just seen it in a different light. So let's get a close-up on that. As you can see, that's silver, guys. Like a metallic. It's like the dull version of this. This is the shiny one. That's the dull version. I want you guys to see that. As a matter of fact, as you can see it with the bottom, you can see the bottom is more of a clear. And then you see the silver creep in there. So I wanted to point that out. Far as Kobe's, not my favorite colorway, but Kobe has some crazy colorways. Earlier in the video, I showed y'all these joints right here. And believe it or not, I'm gonna go ahead and credit Kobe for the what the phase, because that what the Kobe made everybody what the after. So he's known for the crazy colorways. But what the sneaker represent, man, you can't beat that. Girl Dad. You know, a lot of people, a lot of fathers were girl dads before the Kobe situation, but when Kobe stamped that, everybody wanted to be a girl dad, man. Let me know how y'all feel about these. $190. I got them from the sneakers app. My first sneakers app went in maybe about 3 weeks. But worth the money far as the technology, what the sneaker mean, the quality. I think I seen them on Gold and StockX for maybe like $250, $230. I'm loving that Kobe's are not going for so much on the resale market. I know you resellers don't like to hear that, but I like that, man, because people love Kobe. People want Kobe's. People don't want to have to pay extra money. So I love that, man. Like I said, $190 retail, resale about $230, $250. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.